Ryzen 7. Ryzen 7 is a high-performance processor for people like content creators or streamers who need more power than the mid-range processor. So if Ryzen 5 can handle heavy gaming, Ryzen 7 lets you play the heavy game while doing a live streaming, keeping Discord open and stuff like that. And this is possible because it has 8 cores and 16 threads. In laptops, Ryzen 7 has other variants of the H suffix, and those are HS and HX. The HS means the CPU is built for thin and light laptops, but still delivers high performance while being power efficient. Basically, it's like the better version of Ryzen with the U suffix. And the HX one means the processor is unlocked for maximum performance by consuming more power to reach higher speeds. This Ryzen suffix is usually found in the bigger gaming laptops because they need bigger cooling systems to handle the extra heat from those higher CPU clock speeds. On desktops, Ryzen 7 processors also have an upgraded version of the X models that's called the X3D. These use AMD's 3D V-Cache technology to stack extra cache on the chip. Or in simple terms, it means you can get better gaming performance without consuming more wattage.